You ever just have one of those days where you just want to come out and play, and to the best of your abilities, it just wouldn't go right? Today's that day. So, we're going to turn this into an educational experience because this is a brand new tensioner from Halverson, and I'm probably going to play this section of the video first and then do the logs because, yeah, it didn't go as designed. So, what happens when a Halverson chain comes loose? The saw chain will engage the wood and kind of burr off to one side, not allowing the chain to go through. In other ones that I've run, you could just bump the button and just get the chain spinning, and then it would cut through because the centrifugal force would keep this part inside the bar. But this piece of wood had rolled back so far, it couldn't come out of the guard far enough to actually start spinning, and when it did, it would just gouge because it was getting pinched between the bar and the wood. So, learning opportunity. So that's what we're gonna go with. So I'm gonna go get some wrenches. I've never tensioned up one of these before with the new tensioning mechanism on the outside. I'm always used to the little set screw here on the inside. So we'll grab some wrenches. I'll let you know what they are, and we'll take it from there. All right, so what I found, we have a 9/16 here and here, and then the small one for the actual tension is a 7/16. Now you might ask, AJ, how did you get this to come down? Well, you can either do this and just kind of spin it with a little push, it'll come down, or you press and hold the saw button, drop it all the way down, and while you're still holding that saw button, turn off the hydraulics, and then there's no return pressure to bring it back up in here in the guard. So it's easier to work on these when it's down in the more horizontal position. It was just, we processed that one 16-footer on the first video. So that was maybe a quarter cord. We filled one basket, so that's a half a cord. And it's a new chain. It stretched, it got hot. So it's my own fault for not stopping sooner. But I'm a firewood guy. I'm stubborn. I don't like to stop. Figure I can fight with it and get it to go through, even though this is faster, just to get out and fix it. So I like it with just a little bit of pressure. You can get just about a tooth out of the center of the bar because there's so much hydraulic force in this that they come loose a little bit easier. It is 404. And you don't have to like Hercules these down. Because I've had guys actually break them off. They've been out here with the air ratchet or a battery powered ratchet and just ugga-tugga on it until it snaps. Just get it snug and walk away.